So today I'm just cruising along Old Leets Vale Road, which is a four-wheel drive only track, suggests the signposting. Realistically, you could bring your own Corolla down here, it's not that bad of a track. Cruising through today, we've just been through some storms, so there's a lot of leaf matter, there's a lot of water on the ground, and it's as slippery as anything, which you may notice in the video. So I'm just taking it easy, just having a nice cruise, and more just to show you guys the track. If you're ever out this way on River Road, if you're on an adventure tourer or a dual sport or something like that, take the detour, have a run. It's a short ride, it's probably 5 minutes to the top. You can really crack through and get into it. But today I'm taking it easy, which you will notice. Anywho, as I always say, grab a cold beer, sit back on the lounge, relax, enjoy the ride, and let me know your thoughts. The video certainly doesn't do the track any justice here, but there's certainly some steep inclines, there's some ruts, there's a lot of rock steps here which you don't notice through the video. And equally, if you get it wrong, there's a nice cliff edge down the right hand side there. It's all good fun. That brings us to the end of the trail, guys, and I hope you've enjoyed the ride today. Unfortunately, it is pretty wet and slippery out here after the storms that we've had, so I've had to take it quite easy. This is a trail you can really get into, and as I say, if you're out doing River Road, if you're on a dual sport or an adventure tourer, give it a crack. You know, she is a blast, she's a great ride, she's nice and short as well. You can stop up the top, take a break before you cruise back down and do the rest of the track. Anyway, if you like what you've seen, be sure to like and subscribe to the video so you don't miss any further content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.